Bombshell hairstyle. Let's make our crowning glory prettier. Are you ready? Here's what we need. Hairfix Keratin Stronghold Hairspray, a curling iron, sectioning clips, big and small ones, and Velcro rollers.
Everyday na lang pinoproblema. Hair mo di marunong makisama. Minsan busy, magulo. Minsan grabe magtampo. Huwag ka nang mag-worry, solusyon namin ay easy. Get your hair done in minutes. Feel fantastic, just Hairfix. Get your hair done in minutes. No tricks, just Hairfix. Get your hair done, get your hair done. Get your hair done, get your hair done. Kahit na anong klaseng hair, serve na tender loving care. Long, short, straight, or wavy hair, dapat lagi healthy. Huwag ka nang mag-worry, solusyon namin ay easy. Get your hair done in minutes. Feel fantastic, just Hairfix. Get your hair done in minutes.
Knowledge how you make an easy DIY bombshell Hollywood hairstyle with the help of Hairfix Keratin Stronghold Hairspray 200 ml. And the good thing about this is that they're also available in 50 ml on-the-go hairspray. Don't forget to follow and tag Hairfix at Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for you to be able to wear your crowning glory. You can also enjoy up to 50% discount on your favorite Hairfix products. So, what are you waiting for? Grab yours